My name is Emily Kinyanyanga. My home is located at Nahara B, Nyanda sublocation. I'm 15 years old now. When I grow up, I would like to be a doctor, and I would like to tell the girls to drop out of school. That's not good because they are breaking their future. And I like to be in school to make a better future and change my society. I have a mother and a father, and I'm the first one, and we have 4 children in our family. My mother and father, they are just peasant farmers. I like biology and mathematics. If I do not get in the scholarship, I'll stay at home, and after staying at home, I'll be having a bad future. It's too important for us to go to school because when girls are educated, they change the world while boys. I would only like to thank for the scholarship, and I say if you continue to help others, it's going to help me.